Need to remove Blender from your computer. Whether you're reinstalling it, freeing up storage space, or no longer need the application, uninstalling Blender is a straightforward process. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to uninstall Blender in 2026. So yeah, let's get started. First, make sure Blender is completely closed before uninstalling it. Save any open projects, then exit the application. Closing Blender prevents installation files from being in use during the removal process. If you're using Windows, open the Settings app and go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your Windows version. Find Blender in the list, click the menu next to it, and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If you're using macOS, open the Applications folder and drag Blender to the trash, then empty the trash to remove it completely. On Linux, uninstall Blender using your package manager or the same installation method you originally used. You know, the exact steps may vary depending on your Linux distribution. Although Blender is now uninstalled, some configuration files, preferences, and cache files may still remain on your computer. If you want a completely clean removal before reinstalling Blender, you can delete these leftover folders manually. I mean, this step is optional but helpful if you're troubleshooting problems. After uninstalling Blender, restart your computer. This helps clear temporary files and ensures all changes are applied correctly. If you plan to reinstall Blender later, you'll be starting with a clean system. And that's how to uninstall Blender in 2026. Whether you're removing it temporarily or preparing for a fresh installation, the process only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Blender guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.